It is the mix, and we have Dwayne here. He's saying that, he's asking the question, what have I done to your boss? Why you allegedly, what he calls unscrupulous vagabonds, are on top of me every day? That's the question he's asking. Dwayne, he's really serious about this, and I he's taking it to another level as he keeps asking the question. He wants to know what it is that he has done. He keeps asking this question over and over again. Now, let's see what he has to say about this. And please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that whenever I post, you know.
Statistics. What have I done? What have I done to your boss? Right? That warranted the way you guys have treated me. Yet still, you unscrupulous vagabonds, right? Have all of a sudden forgotten what this unscrupulous vagabond has done to your boss, said about your boss's family, and so and so. Do I need to continue? You people have no shame, but it's me, the one who was fighting tooth and nail, cursing anybody. I cursed anybody for this woman. Donna, I don't hate you, but I know for a fact, I listen, honest to God, I'm so happy. I am so happy. A lot of things unfolded the way they unfolded. Why I say these things is because it showed me you wasn't loyal to nobody. You are not a loyal person, and that is okay. That is very much okay. And be very clear, when I'm speaking right now, I'm not speaking because I want you to look into yourself or anything. If you haven't done that before, I don't expect you to do that now. No, I'm not answering. I'm telling you, I have something for them. But I'm waiting for it to just dash off in my hands. Absolutely. Are you people forgetting who I am? Remember, you people called me head boy of the shop. You never called me this for no reason. No, I realized a long time ago, I realized a long time ago. However, I am the type of person, I like to give people chances. I really do. I believe in giving people chances after chances after chances for them to redeem themselves or to find some kind of redemption. However, it didn't happen. It didn't happen. The same people who I went to battle for, even though I know you've always said, don't fight for me. However, I felt compelled to defend your honor against this unscrupulous person based on the way he portrayed himself on social media, the way he carried himself on social media, the way he behaved on social media, especially at the time, I believed, towards someone who was doing an amazing job for the people of my country. However, now I'm looking back at it. You are very selfish. You really are a selfish person. And I'm going to pray for you. I really am going to pray for you. I am. I know a lot of you may hate me for saying these things, but it's fine. It's fine. People, I want you to understand, right? I want you guys to understand. I really want the best for her. I still do. I wish her nothing but the absolute best in everything she actually does. I really do. I wish her nothing but the absolute best in everything and anything she puts her hands on. I really do. But for the mere fact that you could forgive someone who's behavior has been so atrocious, stagnant, so stringent towards you and your family, especially your young family. And then you have the audacity to embrace them. What exactly was he trying to embrace them for? What was he trying to accomplish? Did you want them to stop? I don't know. Until this very day, I keep on asking myself these questions. What are you people's motives? And until this very day, I still can't come up to I just can't come to any kind of conclusion. I just can't. I really can't. People of Jamaica, I'm addressing you guys, right? Hear me and hear me well. If someone had the audacity, the nerve to say all of these bitter things about your family, especially the person who birthed you, the person who gave you life, breastfed you, grew you up from a tender age as an infant, a little baby, perhaps to the point now you are a fully grown adult. This person has disrespected that person, aka your mother. Let's go there. Your mother, right? Bear in mind, our mothers, right? In my opinion, our mothers are the most important commodity in our lives. I care what none of you say. Ono could have cost me till God come. I stand by everything I say. Father God, if I tell a lie, please slap me. Please slap me. Please slap me. The person who should mean the world to you. Listen, let's not bring our dads into the equation. Let's talk about our mothers, right? Our mothers. That person who gave life to you. This person had the audacity to take to their platform, have multiple people calling on your life and speak so much heinous things, so much distasteful things about that person. Not to mention your little, is he a toddler? Your young child, whether adopted or not.